For today's vlog, ayun, naimbitahan na ulit tayo ng ating kapitbahay sa kanyang 50th birthday surprise. Tara, makikain, maki-birthday, makisaya sa kanyang 50th birthday. Let's go!
1, 2, 3! Ba naman yan, di ba? So alam niyo po, tonight, we are really celebrating you. Kaninang madaling araw, magka-text pa kami, magka-message kami. Kasi nag-message, nag-ano ko sa pinost na. Sabi niya, ay ba ang guwapo naman, sabi niya, my last day to be 49. Oo, sabi niya, sabi ko, ang guwapo naman, sabi niya, Miss D, ang tagal nung pinili nitong picture na to. God brought us to this place. Casa Adunari. This is Boss Mike's base here. So, mula noon, ang start ng preparation, Friday, Saturday.
Super cool talaga. No offense kay Pak. Ayan, I'd like to second lahat yung sinabi ni Ate Mark kanina.
Favorite nila ako kasi lahat sila, may hingin lang ako, lahat sila pinagbibigyan nila ako. Lalo-lalo si Kuya Ral.
Siya, Jelly Ace, tapos nag-iisa-isa kaming mga maliit. Even yung
Pang 7 sa amin. Iiyak na naman ako. Ako talaga yung pinakaiyakin sa akin.
So, ang nangyari, pag lagi kang balot, mainit ang katawan mo. Kaya, before graduation ng college, in a different place. So, thank you. I think God is very grateful. So, for this amazing person, unselfish person, who touched us all in different ways. So, may we all say say cheers for his 50th birthday. May he has more amazing years to come.
Thank you, Kuya Cheers. Okay, thank you. We heard the part naman ng family. This time, pakinggan naman natin yung ano ba yung story ni Riley when he was...
So yun, JS Prom and then graduation, 1993. Okay.
Anyways, oo, napaka ano talaga nila, hindi sa nagugulat ako sa kanya. Tatanong sa akin, okay, next time. Beshi, yung ano mo kay Grace, ha? Ayaw ko tayo review. Secret namin yung yun.
People na hindi alam, ako yung hindi naman, let's say, accident. Ako yung unexpected, yun na lang, not accident. Kasi everything happens for a reason, sabi niya. It's a blessing. Ano lang, the blessing came earlier than expected, siguro sa pinag-pray nila. Siguro God has His humors na.
Happy birthday to you. Shall we sing along? Louder. You want to say something about the gift?
Baka na dun yung sa ano, cake, no?
Ayan, sweet from the bottom of my heart. Your wish is my command. Make a wish. Genuine yan, kakaiba yan, no? Kaya make a wish.
Nasa loob yan.
Naka 50,000. Nasi 50 siya.
Yay! And we say, may all your wish come true, not only during your birthday, and for the whole year and the whole journey, as you journey on. Ngayon, that doesn't stop there. Even if you have your new Rolex, ito naman ang pinagdampagdamutan mo naman daw ang Rolex na yan na galing sa iyong family. Ano, Chi? Yan! So yung kanino galing?
From all of us.
Yan, sa family. Okay, from your family, your Rolex. Pwede mo na siyang kunin. At syempre kailangan, pag inuna mo siya, hilahin mo siya. Para mas feel na feel mo. Okay. Hilahin mo yung Rolex. Yan, yan, yan. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Hilahin natin yan, wait.
Agad sa'yo, pero.
1, 2, 3. Hilahin natin, Bali.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood na aming mga videos at mga sumusuporta sa aming mga vlogs. At hanggang dito na lang po ang aking videos dahil eto, party na, sayawan na. And happy birthday, Kuya Radley. More birthdays to come and God bless you more. So eto, picture mo na si Saisa at ang kanyang kumare na si Oli. So maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching guys. Bye!